Welcome to today's how-to video. Congratulations that you have made it so far to this stage of your business. The next thing for you to do now is to know how to log into your user account, our dashboard, in order to upload your videos. So as you can see, you are here on the right page. Click on this symbol here at the top of the right-hand corner of your page. When you click on it, it takes you to the next page. Here, you just need to type in your username and password with which you have registered your account as a vendor, and then click login. Immediately, if everything you've typed in are correct, then you are taken to the next stage. So the first thing you need to notice is this symbol here change to an icon or a logo. So that symbolizes the correctness of your account, that you are already logged in. When you click on that, it brings out this drop-down information and links. The only thing you need now is click on Manage Your Shop, so as to take you to where you can manage your shop. So when you click on that, it brings you to your dashboard. Your dashboard is your engine room of everything about your business. So this is why you manage everything. This takes you inside your dashboard, vendor's dashboard. This is where you will manage everything relating to your online shop. So we will not go to the detail on this particular lesson or tutorial. So because of limitation of what we want to do. So now you can see on this side, on the left-hand side pane or panel, you've got different menus here. So the first thing I would like you to do is to click on this symbol on the top left-hand corner of your page, of your dashboard. You see My Store. If you click on this My Store, it takes you to your store view. So this is what your store looks like. If you have not changed your logo, your store logo, you have the main one here, which is for the marketplace, MiNBizX, and the default banner, which is here, the image you can see here at the background. So when you continue to the left panel, where you've got different menus, because the main aim of this video is to show you how to add product to your page. So you've got product here. Click on product. It brings out add new. That means if you can use this one if you've got your own products. If you have got your own product you want to sell on this platform, then click on this. For more details about how to actually use this particular item, please see the instructional video on how to add product. This is a typo here. It should be H-O-W. So, but if you haven't got your own product to sell, but you would like to sell on the platform, that means to store or to sell other people's products. Then you don't need to click on the product. You go to add to my store. This gives you an opportunity to add from the list of available products on the system, because we've got thousands upon thousands of different products that you can take advantage of. And we've got wholesalers on the platform as well, so you can sell their product instead of you having to worry about your own products. So when you click on this one, if you wish to sell their products, then you click on add to my store. Doing that takes you to the next page, which naturally, let me go back to that. Add to my store. Sorry, I'm not going back to that. It's not taking me back. So add to your store. That's another different video covering that. You can have a look at that, how you can actually add product from one seller, from the wholesaler, to your account. That's actually very easy to do. So now we are here, fill in your store detail. When you go to settings, it shows you how to fill in your store detail. Here, store, you need to type your store name here. If you have any short things you want to write about, for example, my cosmetic store. This is where beauty begins. That's your store slug. Your store email address, then the phone number for your store. Below this, you have the option to actually activate this information here so that it can be seen by visitors to your page or buyers on your page. If you don't want them to see it, then you can deactivate it. So the next one you need to do is add more details about your store location here. So my store, the street where your store is located, you can use any address. It doesn't mean they will come to visit you there. And you can also do the same thing like I mentioned the other time. You can deactivate it so that it doesn't show to the public, but it will still be there. So the street name, street number, town, postcode. Postcode is very, very important. And if you are a seller based in Nigeria or from Nigeria and you want to use Nigerian postcode, don't think Nigeria does not have postcode. Nigeria has got postcodes. You can either go to the web page or website of the NIPOST, Nigerian Postal Office, or you can Google it, postcode for Nigeria or a particular area, for example, like Lagos. You will definitely see the postcode of where the area where you have your business. Then the country, you type it here, or you select one from the list of all countries here, and then state, county. Just write it like local government or things like that. So then it goes on like that. So the next thing you need to do is set up your store payment preferences. How would you like your generated sales proceeds to be paid to you? This has got nothing to do with the customers paying you. No, because the customers will pay directly to the platform. The platform will make sure the customer receive their goods before releasing the money to you. So we don't want a situation whereby the buyer collects money, does not send out the good, and then will refuse. Will be another problem chasing someone around in order to collect the money back for the customer. We don't want that on this platform. So the money is secured first when you offered your service promptly and well, then you receive your funding. So you have this choice. You say that you use the PayPal. If you have PayPal account, then you can use PayPal. If you don't have PayPal account, you can click on select bank transfer. So bank transfer will give you an option to type in your bank name, your name of the account, and account number, sort code, and so on and so forth. Every detail that your bank will use to recognize you. So then shipping option. We've got different options available for you. It's either you use the store shipping options that is already pre-set there for you, or you can select from here. Brings you a drop down. Choose to use your own shipping methods. Then you can write how much it costs, how much you want to charge, which way, is either by weight, by country, by zone, and things like that. So you can set that up yourself if you want. Otherwise, you can use the store shipping method. So here on this page, you need to fill in all this information as well. If you want your customer to be able to reach you, then give them the option. In case they have anything they want to discuss with you, or they've got a problem with their orders, then they can contact you directly. And this one also give you the option, like I was saying the other time, you can either activate this so that customers will see your opening hours. You can select on Monday, time you open, time you close. For example, from 10 in the morning to 6 in the evening. You can add more if you want. You go below, down, there are so many other options for you to show your customers whether you work at a particular hour of the day or not, or day of the week. But if you want to make it 24/7 service, of course, I will imagine that you want your customers to be able to buy your goods anytime during the night, even while you're sleeping. You should be making sales. So that's the best thing about being on this platform.